Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X5c Plus, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. And next we're going to navigate to the three dots right here in the corner, settings, and you want to select import export. From here, select import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now you can quickly select all of them by checking this option right here, or just manually selecting them or deselecting ones that you don't want. Once everything is checked as you want, click on import. And here you can see we have two different ways of importing our contacts. So we have to the phone and to the Google account. Now I do want to kind of talk about this. I recommend importing our contacts to the phone. Now, not out of convenience, but out of respect for privacy of other people. Contacts, when imported, can store a heck a lot of information, including first, last name, phone numbers, addresses, date of birth, notes, and so on. Now, when importing this to Google, you're basically giving away someone else's personal information, and a lot of personal, very personal information, I would say, for someone like Google to monetize and to do whatever the hell they do with it. I don't like that personally, so that's why I recommend importing your contacts to the phone. And once you do so, these contacts should show up in your list right here. So there we go. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.